For sale by Carolina Muscle Cars is this 1957 Ford Thunderbird convertible. It's red with red interior and a white soft top with its matching hard top. Wide white wall tires, wire wheels, continental kit, dual exhaust. This car is an award winner. It drives beautifully. The interior is clean and fresh. The dash looks terrific. The carpets and the seats. I hope you can imagine this in your driveway. If you have any questions about this great car, give us a call at Carolina Muscle Cars. The number here is 919-367-9002. Hope to hear from you soon.